Alright guys, today is a quick little video on installing the Google Sitekit on your WordPress website. And the Google Sitekit, it has been known to slow down some websites, so you kind of have to take a look and see if after you install it, if your website slows down. I would go to the Google PageSpeed website and just search for that Google PageSpeed inside of Google and just do it before and after before you install it, because it does, at least it used to, have problems with slowing down websites. So what you do is when you're inside of WordPress, just go in here and go to your left menu and under plugins to add new plugin. And as I did, I just typed in Google. So I just go back in here, just Google, and give it a minute. It comes up, and here is the Sitekit. And I'll just hit install now. Just takes a second. I have some major plugins on this website, so I have to clean it up. So it will go a little faster after I do that. Then I will hit activate. And again, just takes another minute. And this is, like I said, some people don't recommend this plugin, but it does work pretty well with WordPress from any setting up like analytics and Google Ads, AdSense, and everything. So, all right, so I just cleaned out my page cache. Now I'm going to go into and going to find the Sitekit. Here it is. It's right down here. All right, so now I'm going to go into find out where the Sitekit got installed. Just view the details over here really quick. Alright, so that's in okay. Everything's good there. Okay, auto updates. I don't want to turn that on. And I just have to find where the Google Sitekit gets loaded here on the left side menu. Things do change inside of WordPress, so you want to be on the lookout for that. There's Google Analytics. That's a plugin I want to take out because I already have going to have Sitekit turned on. I have advanced ads. Image products. There it is, Sitekit. Okay, so it does load up on the top here. Okay, so now I got that. I'm going to go to the dashboard. And this will is checking the compatibility now. And you're going to want to have a Google account for this to easily sign it up. No, I don't want to share anonymous data. All right, it says I'm already verified. I will allow everything. I'll go to my dashboard. And again, my site's just taking a minute because I have too many plugins installed right now that I have to go in. And I am on WPX hosting, which is normally a really fast host, but it is going slow. Like I said, I have to take the plugins out. And from here, you'll see you have traffic, content, speed, and monetization. It'll tell you how much search traffic you got for the last 28 days, and there's a way you can change that. And then it'll tell you your how your content's doing, how the video experience is, and if you choose to do AdSense, you can do that also later on. And this is good to find out exactly how fast your website is loading. So everything is set up there, and now I can go into, let's see, content speed. So yeah, so now I have everything loaded, and this will tell me very quickly with Google Analytics how to get everything set up. Now there are other analytics programs I will be going over and showing them, and that you can load directly into WordPress that are actually pretty cool. One I found out from Barry Schwartz recently, and analytics is good to have. There's a lot of people that say analytics is good for SEO because Google reads a lot off it, and others say no, it doesn't. So it's really up to you how you want to do your analytics to find out where people are coming from on your website. Obviously, I have people coming from Google, Bing, Yahoo, and YouTube. So these are all the services. Page speed insights, which measures again your page speed of your website. Search console, that's all connected. I can tell exactly what everybody's coming from. So, and like I said, today you want to think of your website as a hub. It's kind of like a sales hub now. I mean, websites used to be the number one thing, but you want to get traffic from multiple sources. You don't want to just rely on Google anymore. You don't just want to just get Google search traffic and that's it. If you can figure out the Google search SEO game, great. But you also want to get started getting traffic from places like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all those other places. And I mean, Google search traffic is probably one of the best places to get traffic, but you just cannot rely on it 100%. And I'm a been doing SEO for a long, long time, and the algorithms just keep getting jumbled around, so it's just one of those things. But yeah, anyways, okay, so it's a quick little video how to install Google Sitekit to hook up your Google Analytics or your AdSense or your Google Ads to your website and see how many visitors you're getting. So, all right, I'll have more videos later. Thanks. Bye bye.